Reducing the amount of emits from an observable is a heavily underrated concern in the initial stages of development. Querying the database every time a user opens a component which subscribes to the source observable is expensive not only from a performance perspective. Firebase, as do most databases, charge for every read and every write, in addition to a charge for every query even if no results are returned. The upshot is, you want to use the most up-to-date snapshot of the user's data as widely as you can, and only pull a fresh snapshot if something has changed. This is where the shareReplay operator does its magic. To demonstrate, let's make the observable a simple singular emit of the mock data. Then we create 5 subscriptions to that observable, naming them accordingly for clarity. Also, on the source observable, pipe in the tap operator to log a string each time some data is emitted. Now run the code. The yellow console warn statements are the critical focus here. Essentially, the observable is going back to the mock data every time a new subscription to it is created. If our mock data was housed in a database instead of being artificially hard-coded in the TS file, this would mean 5 database calls. Obviously, this is inefficient. Thankfully, we can make it efficient with 1 line of code. Underneath the tap operator, pipe in the shareReplay operator and rerun. This time we again get the 5 subscription values, but importantly, only 1 console warn statement, indicating that the observable is being reused. How shareReplay works is simple. It shares the latest snapshot of data with an infinite or specified amount of subscribers, whilst retaining the hot status. That is, when new data is emitted, it is still immediately propagated to all of the subscribers. For each propagation, only the 1 database call is made, no matter how many subscribers.